Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Codeu Game Lab. First, let's get acquainted with the Codeu interface. Codeu Game Lab is a fantastic visual programming tool that empowers you to create your own games without complex coding. It uses an intuitive, icon-based language, making it super accessible for creators of all ages. You'll learn to build vibrant worlds, design unique characters, and program their actions with ease, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. Now, let's dive into building your game world. Begin by selecting the World tool from the main menu. You can sculpt your terrain using different brushes to raise mountains, lower valleys, or flatten areas for your game. Experiment with adding water, creating winding paths, and placing various environmental objects like trees and rocks. This is where your imagination truly takes shape, transforming a blank canvas into a vibrant, interactive landscape for your game. Next, we'll bring your world to life by adding characters. Use the Object tool to place Codus or other characters into your scene. Once placed, select a character and open its programming editor. Here, you'll use when and do tiles to define their behaviors. For example, when you press a key, do move forward. You can combine many rules to create intricate interactions, giving your characters unique personalities and game functions. Finally, it's time to test your creation. Switch to play mode to experience your game firsthand. Observe how your characters behave and interact with the world based on your programmed rules. If something isn't quite right, simply switch back to edit mode to make adjustments. This iterative process of playing, observing, and refining is crucial for game development. Keep experimenting until your game perfectly matches the vision you have in your mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.